Warm welcome to all the students of Daud Boy Fazal Boy Primary School. B Ward Standard 2nd. Now, hello everyone. Welcome back to the English class. Today we are here with another interesting topic, that is English poem topic 3.1 Mice. Now I am going to recite the poem, okay? And you all repeat after me. I think mice are rather nice. Their tails are long. Their faces small. They have not any chins at all. Their ears are pink, their teeth are white. They run about the house at night. They nibble things they shouldn't touch, and no one seems to like them much. But I think mice are rather nice. And the poetess name is Rose Fileman. Now, mouse. This is a single mouse. And more than one mouse, we call them mice. So, plural of mouse is M-I-C-E, mice. Now, here students, I am going to explain you one by one, and you all repeat after me. I think mice are rather nice. So, now listen to me carefully. In this poem, the poetess Rose Fileman thinks that mice are quite nice. Their tails are long. So, now observe this picture, students. The poetess say that they have long tails. Okay? Their face is small. So, Rose Fileman says that their faces are small. Okay? So, they have small faces. They haven't any chins at all. So, the fileman thinks that they do not have any chins at all. Their ears are pink. So, their ears are pink in color. Okay? Now, observe the picture. Okay? Their ears are pink in color. Their teeth are white. So, the poetess Rose Fileman says that their teeth are white in color. They run about the house at night. They run about the house at night. They nibble things they should not touch. So, the mice nibble things which they are not supposed to touch. Okay? And no one seems to like them much. So observe this picture, beta. So in this picture, though Rose Fileman explained that though no one seems to like them much. But I think mice are rather nice. But the poet likes them and thinks they are nice. Okay? Now let's solve some examples to solve some exercises, students. Now first question is question A. Answer the following. Question 1. Have you ever seen a mouse?
Yes, miss. I have seen a mouse many times.
Oh, really? Oh, good. Question 2, student. What will you do if you see a mouse in your house?
We will catch the mouse in a mouse trap.
Oh, it is with you, mousetrap?
Yes.
Oh, acha. Question B. Match the following words. Long,
Tails.
small,
Face.
faces. Pink,
Ears.
white.
Teeth.
Oh, good. Very good, student. Now dictation words. Come on, read it.
CHINS. Chains. NIBBLE. Nibble. SHOULDNT. Student. 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 TOUCH. Touch. RATHER.
Rather, seems, and last is haven't. Read the poem and answer the questions. Okay, so you have to answer the questions with the paragraph, with the extract. Okay, now look in your textbook and answer me. Question 1. Who are nice?
Mice are nice.
Very good. Question 2. How are their tails?
Their tails are long.
Question 3. Give rhyming word for nice,
Nice.
small.
All.
Complete the poem, student. First one, I think. After I think, what is given in the paragraph?
Mice are rather nice.
B. Their tails,
Are long.
their faces.
Are small.
Very good. Read the poem and answer the questions. Question 1. What is the color of their ears?
The color of their ears are pink.
Yes, the color of the ears are pink. What do they nibble?
They nibble things which they shouldn't touch.
Shouldn't touch. Question 3. Name the colors mentioned in the poem.
Pink and white.
Yes. Match the following words. Okay. A. Long,
Tails.
small,
Faces.
pink,
Ears.
white.
Teeth.
Form or you have to make shorter words from each of the following words. Think. You have to make any 3 words. So the first word is think. Now come on.
Thin.
First one is
Thin.
second,
In.
third.
Ink.
Now second word is white. Now come on, make it smaller words in that.
The. With. And he.
Very good. Rather.
Her. Rat. And rare.
Very good. Now give another words. Another word means we have to give the meaning. Now you have to repeat after me. Nibble. Nibble means a small bite of food.
Nibble means a small bite of food.
Rather. Rather means to some extent or on the contrary.
Rather means to some extent or on the contrary.
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 Very good. Thank you. And you have to solve these exercises in your English new notebook. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day, students.
Thank you, Miss.